Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your device model and OS version, and make sure you can unlock the device. Once done, enable the accessibility features you plan to include, like zoom, voiceover, magnifier, or assistive touch. Then go directly to Settings, find Accessibility, and open the Accessibility shortcut or Quick Actions area. This is where you will create the shortcut. Make sure to keep the features already turned on, so the shortcut toggles them reliably when invoked. Now build the shortcut itself. Pick which features to include and whether they will toggle together or act separately. For example, select Zoom plus VoiceOver or assign Assistive Touch to a separate hotkey. Decide the behavior. Next, choose the trigger. Triple-click the side or home button, a keyboard hotkey, shortcut widget, or an automation rule. Then arrange the order and set toggle versus activate-only behavior. Make sure confirmations are set if accidental activation would disrupt use, and save the shortcut. Finish by testing the shortcut across real tasks. Launch the trigger and verify each accessibility feature activates and deactivates correctly. If something fails, make incremental changes. Reopen the accessibility panel, reassign the trigger, or remove conflicting items and try again. Often a quick reboot or OS update fixes unexpected behavior, so make sure both are current. Troubleshooting tip: if the shortcut still misbehaves, delete it. Recreate it with only one feature, confirm that works, then add features back one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.